Have you ever wanted to play two games on Steam at the same time? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to play two games on Steam at the same time. This will be a step-by-step guide and an easy way how to do it. Just before we go ahead and begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that you want to do is basically open up Steam. That's the first step. Second up, go ahead and go to your library, click on the game that you want to play, and basically the first game that you want to launch, basically just click on play right over here. Once the first game is launched, on the second game that you want to launch. By the way, I don't condone any two big games running at the same time unless you have a really good PC and a big memory for both games. So to launch the other game without Steam rules, let's go ahead and right click on the other game, hover up to manage, browse local files, and over here just go ahead and find the executable file for your game. It should be the type of application for the game. As you can see, this is the game for Mecha Chameleon. Just go ahead and click on it, and it should be, as you can see, file description bootstrap package game. Just go ahead and double click, and the game should be launched without any problem from Steam. So basically that is all for this video, guys. If you do have any questions, so go ahead and go to the comment section down below and respond to it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.